Hey, Photo2, this is Mr. Wong. Today's date is April 20th, so welcome back to your uh, session. A little disappointed with the workflow. I've actually only received one assignment from last week. I don't know, guys. But here's where I'm going to go with this. There will be another assignment this week in case some of you are trying to up your grades. It's not in this video. It's in a different video, but keep that in mind. And it's a limited time offer. It's nothing going to be very long. But for this week, I'm looking forward to the future of you guys as photographers out there. So this week, this is your assignment. You're to choose your best photos from whenever, from the beginning of the year to when we last met to even last year. If you think you have really good stuff from before, I'd like you to compile your minimum 10 best photos from your time as a photography student. It's a little different from what I wanted, but it is something that's important. And part of it is I want you guys to start considering, what kind of photographer are you? Are you a portrait? Are you a small scale? Are you a landscape? What are you as a photographer? All right. And as extra bonus, if you guys haven't already started this kind of stuff, this is just someone's blog. All right. But 10 free portfolio websites for photographers. If you are serious about becoming a photographer in the future, you will need this kind of stuff. Flickr, photo.net, Behance, Cargo, or YouPick, and the list goes on. Okay. I'm not going very long with this because these are up to you. All right, what you guys want to do. But I do, for this week, want you guys to look in your past and start deciding what kind of photos, define your style of photography. And at the same time, I want you guys to start thinking, what is your style? So for this week, you don't have to open any of these accounts for free portfolios. That part is optional, but I do want to see at minimum your best photos in the last 2, 3, however long I've had you. And start, what kind of photographer are you? Okay. Oh, and also, Pele Awards has made their announcement. Congrats, Mr. Bright, Jack. Pennies a day. They haven't told me what your photo pennies a day is ranked as, but you have received an award. That is all. All right. I hope this finds you guys, and hopefully you guys come back, because this week was a little sad to get only one assignment from all of you. All right, guys. Catch you later. Bye.